Good morning. Welcome to Deb's True Crime Notebook. Looks like we've got an update. State of Indiana, County of Carroll, State of Indiana versus Richard M. Allen. Motion to continue hearings on all matters currently set to be heard May 21st through the 23rd, 2024. Comes now the accused Richard Allen by and through counsel Brad Rosie and Andrew, and moves this court to continue all pending motions currently set to be heard on May 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 2024 in support of said motion. The accused states the following. 1. Following a brief hearing on May 7th, 2024, in which the jury trial on this matter was continued from May 13th, 2024 until October 14th, 2024. At that same time, the court set several pending matters hearing on May 21st, 22nd, and 23rd, 2024. 2. During that May 7th, 2024 hearing, the accused counsel indicated that they would be filing a motion to disqualify Judge Gull, and at that time had a prepared motion that they intended on filing that day. 3. However, certain issues have arisen both during and after the hearing, which have caused defense counsel to add to the motion that the defense had prepared. 4. The defense has therefore been adding to that motion as well as re-editing the motion, taking additional time to prepare said motion for filing. 5. Also, the new motion required Richard Allen's signature, and because Richard Allen has been moved back to Wabash Valley Correctional Facility, it is logistically difficult for Richard Allen to review the document and sign the document so that it comports with the legal requirements of a request for disqualification. 6. Richard Allen has just signed the documents as needed, and therefore the defense files its motion to disqualify at the same time as this motion to continue next week's hearing. 7. As the court is aware at the time Richard Allen petitions this court for change of revenue from the judge, this court will be without jurisdiction to do anything other than rule on the motion. Lucas v. State 249, Indiana 637648. 1968, citing Weir v. State 37 NE 2D 537, 1941. Additionally, the defense is requesting Judge Gull to issue findings of fact and conclusion of law if she issues a ruling denying the defense motion to have her disqualified. And 9, therefore Judge Gull will not be able to conduct a hearing or rule on any matters until she has reviewed the motion to disqualify and entered findings of fact and conclusion of law. 10. Additionally, on May 15, 2024, the state of Indiana just turned over a new phone extraction that had been conducted this past weekend. 11. The defense received possession of that new phone extraction less than 1 week before the motion in limine hearing, and it was set and needs more time to review the phone extraction data. 12. Based upon a quick review of the phone extraction, it is likely that the defense will use the phone extraction as part of its evidentiary presentation arguing against the prosecution's motion in limine to not discuss third-party suspects, as it appears that the new phone extraction provides favorable evidence for the defense, but the defense needs additional time to review the entire phone extraction in order to be prepared to argue against the prosecution's motion in limine. 13. Additionally, the witness who extracted the phone data last weekend has indicated that he will be issuing a report on his findings as well as investigating matters identified by the defense that the defense believes provide important information concerning third-party prospects or suspects. 14. The defense would therefore request that, at a minimum, the hearing on the motion in limine be rescheduled until after the aforementioned report is filed, as it would be judicially economical to hear all the evidence in the motion in limine at one time in one hearing, and would additionally prevent the court from prejudging the evidence presented until all the evidence can be presented at the same time in the same hearing. 15. The trial has been continued until October 14, 2024, which should provide an abundance of time to find new dates to conduct said hearings. 16. Since Judge Gull cannot rule on any motions until after she rules on the defense motion to disqualify, it would be judicially economical to continue that matter, scheduled for May 21st through 23rd, 2024, until after Judge Gull has had a chance to review the motion to disqualify and issues findings of facts and conclusions of law, should she deny the defense motion to have her disqualified as judge on the case. 17. The prosecution has been contacted and does object to this request. Wherefore, the accused, Richard Allen, files his motion to continue the hearings on all matters currently set to be heard May 21st through May 23rd, 2024, and all other just and proper relief. Signed, Bradley A. Rosie, Andrew J. Baldwin. And now you're up to date once again on Deb's True Crime Notebook. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell for all notifications, leave us a message because we love to hear what you have to say. And please share this with a friend and in a group.